Hey y'all, so this is my perm rod set video. As y'all can see, my hair looks a hot mess. I had washed it the other day and I literally haven't done anything to it because I've been extremely lazy. So yeah, it's a little tangled up. So what I'm about to do is take my spray bottle, which is only filled with water, and I'm gonna take my comb and detangle. I'll be using the Curling Enhancing Smoothie by Shea Moisture, the Black Castor Flaxseed Oil Eco Styler Gel, my spray bottle, which is filled with water, and these orange perm rods. So this technique is honestly very simple. I've done this lots of times in the past. I used to do this back in high school. It's one of my favorite natural hairstyles to do. So yeah, as y'all can see, I did the back of my hair already. So now we about to work on the front. So the first thing that you're gonna do is section off a piece of your hair. Then you're gonna take your spray bottle and spray that piece of hair. And I brush my hair out just to make sure that it's, smooth. And then the next thing that I'm going to be taking is my Eco Styler Gel. I'm just going to rub a little dab of that on that section. And then I'm going to take my Curling Enhancing Smoothie and rub that in. Okay, so I honestly don't know how I'm about to explain this part. I feel like you just have to watch. So what I do is I smooth the ends of my hair out so that it's flat, and then I twist my hair. Like, I'm trying to get up close so y'all can see because I don't know how to explain it. But like when I'm twisting the roller, I'm also twisting my hair. I don't know if that makes sense. I'm sorry, y'all. I don't know how to explain this. And when I turn around, we gonna act like we don't see that little piece of hair sticking out. All right, so now it is the next day. I'm just gonna take my wild growth hair oil and put that in my head. Y'all about to see a very slow moment. This is a new bottle. I'm so slow. All right, so I cut the top off. Now watch this. Oh, I just knew that it was working. It's about to come out. I'm like, damn, why is it not coming out? So yeah, like I said, I'm about to just go ahead and put this throughout my head, and then we're gonna start the unraveling part. And at this point, I had a slight attitude. Don't y'all hate when them daggone scam likely people call y'all? Why are you calling my phone? You don't want nothing. Y'all can see the irritation written all over my face. But y'all see those curls? They popping. When I was taking my hair out, I actually noticed that some of the parts were just a little wet, not a lot, just a little. So I feel like, my curls could have been a little more defined if my hair was fully dry. I want to say it was about 3 or 4 o'clock when I took my hair out. So I feel like it should have been dry, but obviously it wasn't. So yeah, I think that I'm going to film this video again. I'll probably end up using some different products so that the video won't be exactly the same. Just to see that, just to see if my curls would be more defined if I let it, fully dry. So yeah, I liked my hair though. I honestly liked it. The only thing that I wish is that it was bigger. I love big frizzy hair. That's my favorite. So I don't care about the frizz or anything. I just want it to be bigger. But yes, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if y'all have any other hairstyles that y'all want me to try out, like natural hairstyles you can just comment down below, and if I want to do it, I will do it. And yeah. Make sure your post notifications are on, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.